After years of Samsung being the only player in the foldable phones market, other Android manufacturers are finally starting to catch up. The latest Galaxy Z Flip 5 goes head-to-head with the Motorola Razr Plus, also known as the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra in other regions. One of the most well-received foldables of 2023. Both devices start at $999. But which one should you actually buy? Let's find out. Starting with the design, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is shorter and narrower than the Motorola Razr Plus and has almost identical thickness and weight. Both devices fold shut perfectly flat and don't leave a gap in the middle for dust to pass through. Neither of the two devices is rated for dust resistance, but the Flip 5 has an IPX8 rating for water resistance. Both devices have an aluminum frame, and the Flip 5 is more durable thanks to it having Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection on the back, whereas its rival is protected by an older variant. Both devices have a dual rear camera system with OIS and 4K video at 60 FPS. However, since the main lens on the Motorola Razr Plus has a wider aperture, it will, at least theoretically, be better at producing a natural bokeh effect in portrait shots. The ultra-wide lens on the Flip 5 has a wider field of view, so you'll be able to fit more into the scene. It's ideal for taking group shots. When unfolded, the Razr Plus can take higher resolution selfies and shoot 4K selfie videos at 60 FPS. However, this is a bit redundant because if you want to take high-res selfies, you can just use the main camera system on either of these phones and double their cover screens as a viewfinder. Both the display's main and cover screen on the Razr Plus are bigger than the ones on the Flip 5. The former has a 6.9-inch 165Hz LTPO main screen and a 3.6-inch 144Hz cover screen, whereas the latter has a 6.7-inch 120Hz main screen and 3.4-inch 60Hz cover screen. The Flip 5 uses a special overclocked version of the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, meaning it's capable of delivering better performance than the Motorola Razr Plus, which uses the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip of 2022. Also a feature on the Nothing Phone 2. In everyday use, it's very unlikely that you'll notice any major performance difference between the two devices, but it's always better to have more power than less, as long as it's also paired with efficiency gains. Both devices start at 8GB RAM and 256GB storage and can be scaled to 512GB storage, but only the Razr Plus offers a 12GB RAM variant for those who plan to do a lot of multitasking. However, note that the Flip 5 uses the latest UFS 4.0 storage standard, which is faster and more efficient than the inferior UFS 3.1 storage standard used on the Razr Plus. Although the Motorola Razr Plus has a slightly bigger 3800 mAh cell, you're likely to get significantly longer battery life on the Galaxy Flip 5 simply because its software is better optimized and the chip inside it is more efficient. The wired charging speeds of the two devices are nearly identical, but the Flip 5 offers faster wireless charging and also allows reverse wireless charging to power accessories such as your smartwatch, earbuds, tracking device, and more. As much as we appreciate Motorola doing the R&D and developing such a beautiful cover screen on the Razr Plus, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is, without a doubt, the safer choice and will serve you better in almost every way. The Flip 5 offers more power, longer battery life, more durability, longer software support of 4 years, an IPX8 rating for water resistance, faster wireless charging, reverse wireless charging, faster storage, a more optimized software experience, and more color options. Not to mention the fact that the Motorola Razr Plus is only available in select countries, so even if you like it, it might not be available in your region. If your only choice is the Flip 5, it's a solid choice indeed. So guys, what are your thoughts? Let us know them in comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Peace out.